Hi viewers. This is a quick video, how to make AMP quizzes using GS2Web SaaS add-on for Google Sheet. Let us see how it works. I presume that you have already logged in to the GS2Web SaaS using premium subscription. For creating a new quiz, go to menu GS2Web SaaS and then click on the Create Quiz menu. Now, fill the quiz template. That's it. Your quiz will be ready for publication. Go to GS2Web SaaS add-on and click Publish Quiz under the Quiz menu. Next, go to GS2Web SaaS add-on and click Get Links under the Quiz menu and copy AMP iframe code. So, thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next tutorials for GS2Web SaaS quiz. Stay tuned.